Why do kids these days have to say things like that?
Fuck the world.
Tell them why you're saying that.
Fuck the world.
Hey yo, I'm gonna tell them why you're saying that.
Fuck the world. Fuck the world.
Now let me take you to a trip inside the mind of a liquor-sipping, tripping teenager with nothing but anger inside his motherfucking heart. His heart is locked in the dark. He was born without the blessings of a beautiful start. You see, his father used to beat him up and lock him in his bedroom. What those motherfuckers all his father ever said to him, he said, I hope you learn your fucking lesson. But all abuse ever done was turn his son into depression. This motherfucker worked hard, never knew he'd be a star. The only love he ever felt was from his own heart. Parents disowned him, now they try to phone him with a stupid fucking reason to be part of where he's going, not knowing that they turned their own son into a killer, drug dealer. Couldn't be realer, and though his life got iller, shit still feels wrong. And though he writes his songs, still can never find a place where he could belong. He's all alone in the dark, without a spark in his heart. So all he does is try to live and play his part, and that's the reason why he's saying
Fuck the world.
and that's the reason why he's saying
Fuck the world.
that's the reason why he's saying
Fuck the world. Fuck the world.
Now let's go a little deeper to his younger days. In 8th grade the kid was cutting while a beat would play. It wasn't Dr. Dre, it wasn't Eminem, it wasn't either of them. He was trying to bleed to death, put the pain to rest, mentally his brain to test. If he could leave this world he thought that he would catch his breath, cause he was stranded all alone. He was born without a home, never had a family that he could call his own. Teachers finally filed the cops and then they rushed him to the spot, put him in a mental home where they filled him up with shots to rot. He fought, didn't need to see the doc, his dad was never caught. They beat his ass up on the spot, and that's the reason why he says